you know, litigation which is going to court is largely an issue of strategy and planning. And it's not an issue of trying to take advantage of anyone. It's not an issue of trying to screw anybody, all right? It's an issue of knowing how to direct things in a certain way to make the best and fairest deal for both of you. And what you may perceive to be fair in your mind isn't something that a judge might think is fair, and you're not doing yourself any service. So if you use the law to your advantage, you can direct things in a certain way to get the kind of settlement that you want. And quite frankly, I use the law that way. Like if I represent a client, I will make claims, totally legitimate claims, that may be perceived to be extremely aggressive. But the only thing I'm trying to do with those aggressive claims is to get the other side to meet us in the middle and settle. Yeah. And if I don't show them through my aggressive claims that I'm serious and that I have a really good chance of getting what I'm asking for and them losing way more than they need to, they're just going to say, oh, well, he's given me this lovely apartment for 4.5 years. Why don't I just try and drag this out for another 4.5 years? It's pretty convenient. I don't have to pay rent. I can send another 40 grand home to my parents. So what do you have to induce her to settle early? Nothing, because you're not taking the steps that the law lets you take in order to direct this thing towards settlement.